Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for central Burlington County until 6:30 p.m. At 2:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from a thunderstorm over central Burlington County. Rainfall estimates are approaching 3 inches in Evesham and Medford. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Never attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or in an automobile. Turn around, don't drown. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Turn around, don't drown. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground.